Oh, well, you guys missed the joyousness of a close-up. You would not believe the size of the snot balls that come out of him. They're more like snot ropes.